Hello guys, welcome back to Culinary Crossroads. Today we are making delicious and moist eggless coconut and carrot mini cakes. This recipe is an easy cake recipe that is dairy free and egg free too. So let's get started. First, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade. In a large mixing bowl, combine butter and sugar. Using a hand mixer, cream butter and sugar till it's pale in color and creamy in texture. This process of mixing may take up to 3 to 4 minutes. Let's check consistency. This looks perfect. Remove creamed butter and sugar from the hand mixer and give a good mix. The mixture will be smooth and light in texture like this. Now add vegan curd and gently give a good stir. Then add baking powder and baking soda. Mix well. Now add in almond flour along with half of wheat flour. To mix it well, add little coconut milk. Using a spatula, gently start mixing cake batter in one direction. Mix for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add coconut extract or rose water. Then add remaining wheat flour and some more coconut milk. Gently start mixing it well together. Mix for 2 to 3 minutes. The consistency of batter is thick. Add little water at room temperature. Give a gentle mix till well combined. Then add coconut milk and gently mix for another 2 to 3 minutes. Cake batter will become lighter and airy at this stage. Now add desiccated coconut and gently fold into our cake batter. Add in the remaining coconut milk and mix well. So in total we have used 100 ml of coconut milk for this recipe. Add grated carrots. I have used 2 different colored carrots. You can use 1 color carrot as well. What a beautiful color. Give gentle stir and fold in carrots in our cake batter till well combined. Cake batter looks amazing. And it has beautifully combined as well. Now spoon the batter into prepared mini muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. These mini cakes will not rise much and will have a gooey center, which is super tasty. Bake in the preheated oven at 170 degrees centigrade for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Allow the mini cakes to cool in the muffin tray for 30 minutes. If desired, sprinkle some additional shredded coconut or chopped nuts on top of the mini cakes for added texture and flavor. Once cooled, serve these delicious eggless coconut and carrot mini cakes as a delightful treat, or enjoy it with a cup of coffee or tea. And there you have it, delicious eggless coconut and carrot mini cakes. They are perfect for snacking. It's a delightful treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy baking.